Ledger account contact details entry. Now we discuss about entry of advanced options for contact details and related info. Mailing and contact details tax information. In case of personal ledger accounts placed under loan, advance, branch, sundry debtors or sundry creditors, you may enter following additional information under this section, mailing details at right part. You may leave any of the field blank if not required. Name. Here enter the party's mailing name, that is legal name. The ledger name is carried here. You may change the ledger name. The mailing name are entered here will be printed in all external document. Address. At address, enter address in the same way as explained in company creation. You may enter in multiple lines, normally 3 to 4 lines, in the way you want to print the invoices, receipts, etc. Country. Select the country from list of countries. The country selected for company appears as default, which you may change. State. At state, select state from list of states. Pin code. At pin code, enter the pin code. Ledger contact details. To enter contact details as follows. At ledger account configuration screen, set yes at use contact details. Contact person. At contact person, enter the name of the contact person of the organization. Mobile number. At telephone number, enter the telephone mobile number if any. Mobile number. At mobile number, enter mobile number. This may be used for sending SMS. Phone and mobile numbers help you to keep the phone numbers of all parties at a central place. It serves as your ready phone book address book. The phone numbers may be printed in reports as ready reference without any need to look elsewhere. Fax. At fax, enter the fax number if any. Email. At email, enter the email address if any. Reports may be emailed to the party even through Tally ERP9. It is good idea to fill the email address even you do not send email through Tally ERP9, as you can keep email address of parties at a centralized place like phone numbers. Email copy. At CC to if any, enter the copy to email address. This is included in the copy to field in emails. This is relevant only when you enter main email address. Website. Enter website address of the ledger account, that is party related to the party ledger account if any. Tax registration details. At tax information section, at PAN IT number, enter the income tax PAN if any. This data is used in account confirmation reports, etc. You get some additional prompts for other options like alias, description, notes if you set the respective options at ledger configuration as explained earlier.